Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this super affordable, super girly Valentine's Day makeup look. I am obsessed with this look. I feel like it's so fun and girly and super affordable because I only used one brand in this entire video, and that brand is an affordable brand, but yeah, you get like really great quality products. So I wanted to do a video with a brand that anyone will be able to purchase. I know I've been a little MIA on YouTube, but I will be making a video to let you guys know what I've been up to and why I haven't been able to get here and film for you guys. But it just has been insane. Like, life has been crazy, and I can't wait to share with you guys what it is that I've been doing, because it is something that I've always wanted to do, like literally always wanted to do. So can't wait to share that with you guys. I should have that video like up next week sometime, but I will be back to my regular schedule, posting at least once a week. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So since I have been on the oily side lately, I'm just gonna go in with a mattifying primer just to make sure that my foundation stays a lot longer and my face looks a lot less oily. The one that I'm gonna be using today is from Beige Cosmetics, and this is their mattifying primer. And I'm just gonna apply that to my T-zone and just tap it onto the skin. Next up is foundation. I'm just gonna go in with my BH liquid foundation in the shade Golden Beige. First, I'm just gonna move my hair back because I do not want foundation on it at all. And I'm gonna start applying that first with a brush, and then I go in with the Beauty Blender, just because the brush, I feel like, applies it a lot better and you don't waste as much product as if you would apply it directly with the Beauty Blender. I'm just gonna take that underneath my jawline so I don't have any foundation lines. For concealer, I'm gonna be using BH Total Coverage in 104. I'm just gonna highlight and conceal the under eye area with this. Just gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. This really blends out super easily. To set my face, I'm gonna take this pressed powder from BH, and this is in the shade 230. So finally we can move on to the eyes now that the base is done. The first palette I'm gonna be using today is from BH, and is their Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette. I'm gonna be using is going to be this one right here. I'm just gonna apply that to the crease and the outer V. The next palette I'm gonna be using is also from BH, and this is their GlamReflection palette. I'm just gonna be dipping my brush into this shade right here. And again, I'm gonna take that on the outer V and on the crease, but I'm not gonna blend it out as much. Well, I am gonna be blending it out, but I'm not gonna take it up or as out as I did that first color. I'm gonna kind of keep it concentrated on the crease. And I'm just adding a little more product. Next, taking a flat brush, I'm gonna be going back into that GlamReflection palette, and I'm just gonna go into this shade right here. And I'm just gonna pat that on to the lid, but I'm gonna be going a little bit higher than my natural lid. Look at how gorgeous this color is. To give the lid a little bit more pop, I'm just gonna be going into this shade right here. And I'm just gonna add a little bit, just so it can give it like a little bit more shimmer and make it pop a little bit more. I'm also gonna take that same eyeshadow, but I'm taking a pencil brush, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, as well as the inner corner of my eyes. To smoke at the lower lash line, I'm just gonna be going back into that GlamReflection palette, and I'm just gonna take this color right here. So I finished the eye look by just adding a wing liner and popping on some falsies. So now I'm just gonna move on to the rest of the face. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Nude blush palette, and I'm just gonna be going in with this peachy color right here. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be going in with BH Spotlight Highlight Palette. Since I wanna be glowing today, I'm gonna be dipping my brush into the shade Radiance. This is so pigmented. So obsessed with this highlight. Like, look at that. To line my lips, I'm gonna be going in with Beige waterproof lip liner in the shade Stripped. I love how natural this color is. Like, I just love it. You can even wear just this lip liner alone, but I gotta be extra and add 2 layers of lipstick. For lipstick, I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades today. One is in the shade Jan and the other one is in the shade Endora. So first I'm gonna be going in with the shade Jan, and this is just like a kind of dark brown type of lipstick. I just want this to give me a little bit of darkness, but then we're gonna go in with that pink and brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm going in with the shade Endora. Oh my god, this matches my hair perfectly. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I'm honestly obsessed with it. I feel like it's super easy to do and super girly and just super fun for Valentine's Day. Like, that's the time to be fun and girly. So I really love how it looks. I hope you guys did too, and if you did actually like it, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment down below and let me know what look you guys would like to see next from me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.